Get ready to witness the ultimate gaming powerhouse, the RedMagic 10 Pro, where cutting-edge performance meets stunning design. The RedMagic 10 Pro, launched in November 2024, is a cutting-edge gaming smartphone designed for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. It features a 6.85-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1216 by 2688 pixels, a 140 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 2000 nits, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the phone offers up to 24 GB of LPDDR5 fax RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage, ensuring unmatched multitasking and storage capabilities. It runs Android 15 with RedMagic OS 10 for a seamless user experience. The phone includes an advanced ASUS liquid metal cooling system to handle intense gaming sessions, and its dual 7050 mAh battery supports One OS fast charging for extended usage with minimal downtime. Its versatile camera system includes a 50MP wide-angle sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2MP macro lens, capable of 8K video recording. Additional features such as pressure-sensitive gaming zones, 520Hz touch sensing, and DTS::X Ultra dual stereo speakers enhance the gaming and multimedia experience. Available in multiple configurations, starting at $674.10, the RedMagic 10 Pro combines performance, innovation, and value, making it a standout choice for gamers. The RedMagic 10 Pro is a game-changer in the world of gaming smartphones, offering unparalleled performance, advanced cooling technology, and a stunning 140 Hz AMOLED display. Designed to handle the most demanding tasks, it ensures smooth gameplay, immersive visuals, and powerful multitasking capabilities. With its innovative features like pressure-sensitive gaming zones, DTS::X Ultra stereo speakers, and ultra-fast charging, this phone isn't just a device, it's an essential tool for gamers and tech enthusiasts who demand the best. What features of the RedMagic 10 Pro excite you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech insights.